Wonder Boy.
So the road is beautiful. Pick up Wonder Boy. Coming to you live and direct.
Welcome to Wonder Boy's farm. Today we are raising the cows. Wonder Boy, Wonder Boy, Wonder Boy, Wonder Boy.
Welcome back to Wonder Boy Farm. Today we're gonna herd these cows up to the herding pen. So I want you to stay with me and stay along on the journey with me herding these cows them up to the holding pen. Okay? One I want to come right here. One more. Don't rush them, don't rush them.
Come right here,
Don't rush them.
Hey, look. Yeah.
See these size cow?
Yeah.
You want to get them down them passes. These size cow, see three of them. You want to run them on this bull?
This big bull?
Yeah, we need to get him down in the passage.
Okay, nothing else, right?
Huh?
Nothing else. Because if one go, the rest gonna go.
No. We gotta separate the cows then.
So block there?
No, make them go down. See if we can get them down in the pass.
Okay. Ready, Nicholas? That gate.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Tighten it up.
Welcome back to Wonder Boy. This is one of Wonder Boy herd of cows, and this is just half of the herd. So Wonder Boy turned a farmer. So
You are a farmer. You've been a farmer.
I want you to like, subscribe, share these videos. Excellent work, excellent cows, and good farming and breed of cows.
All right, lock it.
Wonder Boy! Wonder Boy's going to Jamaica, guys! Nicholas, say hi, Wonder Boy. Say, what's up, Wonder Boy? Come to subscribe.
Subscribe and follow.
Subscribe and follow. Nicholas, tell him to subscribe and follow.
Y'all gotta subscribe, follow, do all that. Drop a comment.
We going to Jamaica, guys. We're going to Jamaica.
And the boys bringing all these goats to Jamaica.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we're gonna.
How you gonna get them on boat or
Ladies and
plane?
gentlemen, we're gonna load up all these goats on Frontier and take them to Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen. All these goats we're gonna load up on Frontier and take them to Jamaica.
Not Spirit?
No, not Spirit, Frontier. See, look at them. See all these goats? We're gonna load them up in the plane. And nobody better don't trouble these goats. And these goats are sentimental to Wonder Boy. So ladies and gentlemen, see all my feeler goats. We're gonna load them up on Frontier and take them to Jamaica. So, you watch Wonder Boy, what Wonder Boy gonna do.
Peace out.
So, you like and subscribe and peace out. But I tell you, all these goats is going on Frontier.